Noonlighting was established in 2012 in Shenzhen and relocated to Zhongshan due to business expansion. We have been focusing on indoor commercial lighting, indoor industrial lighting, and a part of outdoor lighting, mainly for North American market. Our product range includes linear LED strips, linear LED retrofit, linear LED stairwell, linear LED wrap fixture, linear LED high bay, vapor tight jelly jar, volumetric troffer fixture, volumetric troffer retrofit, backlit panel retrofit, etc. All of our products are ETL and DLC listed. During the last 10 years of development and growth, Noonlighting can offer one-stop solution from product or design, marketing and customer service. Our experienced R&D team are capable of industrial design, photometric design, driver design and heat management, etc. Also has made good investments in machines and equipment, which allow us to integrate the supply chain to cost down. Our one-stop sheet metal workshop is equipped with laser machines, automatic punching machines, automatic bending machines and soldering machines, etc. So we are capable of offering ODM service for our customers in 1-3 working days. In-house SMT room can make sure all of the photometric requirement from our customers are well checked and 100% qualified. With monthly capacity of 100,120,000 PCS, Noonlighting is very serious on quality controls on products. All of our products have processed 2-3 steps of 100% quality check during production and 100% aging tests. Welcome to contact us for more details.